everybody, I'm going to show you how to bump lessons. So you might want to use this when you have a day off from school. So if you do have a no school day, you just go up to your day menu and then you add the no school day. And then this is super easy. So do you want to bump your lessons forward? Yes, you just have to click that button. And then you can add in a reason why you don't have school. Maybe it's a snow day. Add in a description if you want to. If it's for multiple days, you can do that. I'm going to create that day off, and then automatically all of the lessons shifted forward. If you go to the next week, it goes around the weekends and everything. So everything is shifted forward. You don't have to do any of it manually. Okay, some other reasons why you might want to bump lessons forward. So maybe you have, during your period 1, you have an IEP meeting. So you can go into your lesson menu, and then you can just hit this bump lesson. So I'm going to bump my period 1 lesson. Now you'll notice it didn't mess with any of my other classes. If I'm clicking in the lesson menu of a certain class, it's only going to bump those classes. Okay, so that's bumped. Now I can put in here a subplan if I want to. I can just throw that in there and then continue right on with what I was teaching when I am back the next day. Okay, and just to show you, if you want to bump an entire day, so maybe there's a reason that you're out for an entire day, maybe you're in meetings or you're just gone that day for whatever reason, you can bump all of your lessons forward for the entire day. All right, so reach out if you have any questions at support@commoncurriculum.com.